Welcome, friends. Now, this question about FR and AFM for CA Final exams starting from November 2024. Why is it morning and evening lectures, and why is it not full day lecture like your audit DT and IDT? Because a lot of students at Vidhya Peeth Academy, those who come, they are coming from outstation. Now, this basically reason number one is the demand of the students for the last year terms that we had at Vidhya Peeth Academy, that they want good amount of time for working out the questions, and it would be great if the faculty is there when they're working out the questions, and so that they can come back and ask the doubts. Secondly, even the faculties felt that if it is morning and evening lectures, they can make students work out more and more questions, and they will know plus and minus of each student, so that they can convert the negatives into positives. And they're pretty confident this change in pattern at Vidhya Peeth Academy would drastically change the results, 2x or 3x of whatever results these faculties are getting for the students. So with this confidence, we are going ahead with morning and evening lectures for FR and AFM starting from November 2024 exams. Stay tuned, share with your friends.